Andrew Holness has a ego problem. Oh, I know me I get beaten for the one here. Oh my gosh. Andrew Holness have an ego problem. And that is why I'm so happy that the election was so close. Because Andrew Holness seems to be the person that if he is given unchecked power, it will get to him head. And oh my gosh, you can see the comments now. You can see the comments now. But yeah, I'm happy the election was so close. I'm happy JLP won. And I'm also happy the election was so close that there's some check and balance, because Andrew Holness definitely, to me, shows signs of an individual who has anger issues, who have issues controlling his emotions, and has a very large ego. But the truth is, a man does not reach his caliber without having a large ego. So I understand it. However, I see it. I don't think a lot of people see it though.